Hi everyone, welcome back to Baylon's fam. For today's video, we are going to make a scrunchy headband. These headbands are very cute and elegant, so if you want to learn how to make this headband, just keep on watching. The materials that we need is a tape measure, safety pin, scissors, elastic, fabric, and thread. The width of the fabric that you should cut actually depends on the elastic that you will use. In my case, I used 3/4 inch elastic, then I cut 3 inches by 50 inches fabric. First step is to fold the fabric in half, right sides facing each other. Make sure that you're not giving too much allowance on our fabric when sewing because we're gonna insert our elastic in there. And we're done. Let's move on to the second step. Get your safety pin and pin it on one side of the fabric. Then insert the safety pin on the fabric until it gets on the other side. Third step is to insert our elastic. So get your elastic and safety pin again. Then put a safety pin on your elastic either only on one side or on both sides. Then start inserting the elastic on your fabric. And we're done. Let's move on our fourth step. Put the elastic together by overlapping them for about an inch. Then sew a rectangle-like shape on the overlapped elastic. Also make sure to backstitch it multiple times. So this is how it should look like. Last but not the least is to close our fabric. So first off, fold the frayed hem of one side inwards. Then insert the one side on the other side. This is how it should look like. Then sew a straight line on it. We should do a lot of back stitches in here so that it won't be ripped easily. This is how it should look like. Then just evenly distribute the gathers that we did. And we're done. We can now wear our scrunchy headband. If you want to purchase this headband, feel free to check out our social media accounts, link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.